Sup? Coming to you from the roof of my house because, hey, why not? I was about to record where I normally record and thought, let's do something a little bit different, give everybody a view. You can see my nice little farmer tan I got going. It's about 100 degrees out here in Chicago. Up on the roof, we're gonna get into it, everything I bought in the accounts, what I did. So first off, let me start off by saying thank you for being here. I truly do appreciate it. And this is all about passive income. If you wanna know how to make your money work for you when you're sleeping at any other time that you're not working, and even while you're working, this is the right channel for you. This is the right place where passive income, either through stock or crypto, is what this channel is all about. So what did I buy? In the taxable account, first I bought one share of Pepsi, my 51st share of Pepsi. As you know by this video right here, I'm buying one share a week until I get to 100 shares. I bought that at $147.50, which added $4.30 of dividend income per year. So back in January, I bought 2 shares of AMC at $13 as a lottery play, and it finally started hitting. It got up to $72 this week, and I sold one share at $65. Now what that did, that paid for both of the shares that I bought, plus an additional $39. I'm keeping one share just in case they want to pull a GameStop and go to $300-400 a share. I doubt that'll happen. Even if it goes to zero, it's completely paid for, free, and I have an additional $39 on top of that. So what did I do with that $39? I rolled that into 2 shares of AT&T, ticker T, at $29.48. That added $4.16 of dividend income. Now they're going to be reducing that dividend because a bunch of their revenue is going to be lost when they spin off Warner Media, but it's okay because we're going to be getting the shares of Warner Media. So I'm all good with that. That just means more shares of Warner Media and more shares of a company. Check out this video I did here and you'll see all the reasons why I'm confidently buying more AT&T. And in this account, I also received, because I hold Merck did a spin-off of a company called Organon, ticker OGN. Very interesting. I'm not very familiar, so I'm just starting to do my research into it. I got one share of OGN and about $3.45 in cash that they paid me on that. What Organon looks like they're gonna do, they look like a SPAC for biopharmaceutical companies where they're going to partner with smaller innovators and try and bring their drugs to market. So really kind of like what SPACs do. I think that's really interesting. So I'm probably going to hold that share and maybe add some more if I like it. And in the Roth, we have those 5 shares of weekly WKLY, the weekly dividend ETF. Now I did receive 10 cents, so I'm receiving about 10 cents a week. It's low, I think it's just over 2% yield, which that's not that great, but it's kind of gimmicky. And I'm buying it to track it for the channel and see what goes on with that. So I did receive 10 cents there on those 5 shares. And I bought the old tried and true Johnson & Johnson, ticker JNJ, at $166.25. That added $4.24 of dividend income to the portfolio. Next up, I bought 20 shares of AT&T, ticker T, for $29.23. That added $41.60 of dividend income to the portfolio. Again, that's going to be reduced, but I'm going to be receiving shares of Warner Media, Discovery, whatever they call the new company, and AT&T is still going to be paying probably, it looks like, over a 4% yield. Some have estimates around 5%. If that's the case, hey, that looks pretty good to me. So wherever it falls, even if it's low 3%, that's still going to be double the S&P 500 average yield. I also bought 2 shares of Duke Energy, ticker DUK, at $101.50, and that added $3.86 of dividend income to the portfolio. Really love Duke Energy, very stable, regulated utility company, so they have a very good barrier to competition. They'll keep paying that dividend, no problem. Basically, it's like another bond proxy company. And speaking of bond proxy companies, I bought 3 shares, brand new position, of Kellogg, ticker K. Everybody knows Kellogg's. They have a presence all across the world. fantastic company. I bought those 3 shares at $66.50, which added $6.96 of dividend income to the portfolio. Very happy to start this position. I did receive a comment from somebody on Twitter saying that you're excited about 3.5%. I think it was 3.48% starting yield. Somebody said, you're excited for that? Good thing I invest in crypto. Hey, you know what? That's fine. You do you, because that's risky. Obviously, you guys know me. I have a place for crypto in the portfolio, and I'm going to keep investing in crypto, but I don't know where it goes. And my rule of thumb is whatever I put into crypto, I'm expecting to lose 100% of it. If I do, I'll be just fine with that. And then along the same lines, I was in the mood for consumer packaged goods, non-cyclicals. I bought 3 shares of Campbell's Soup, ticker CPB. I bought 3 shares at $49.50, which added $4, which added, I can't read my paper, which added $4.44 of dividend income. No, I don't have all these numbers memorized in my head. So those shares of Campbell's Soup, again, yielding under 3%, not world beating, but it's going to blow away anything that you get in an interest account, in a savings account. And that money, your money, is going to grow along with the company while you're receiving dividends as well. And that's all that I bought. So I did a lot of buying in the Roth, and in the self-directed IRA, I received $8.37 of dividends from Honeywell. Thank you, Honeywell. That was awesome. And 1 share of Johnson & Johnson at $166.38. That again added $4.24 of dividend yield, annual dividend yield. All in all, this week, just this week, I received $8.47 of dividends and added $73.80 of dividend income, passive income. I'm not going to have to do anything more for that. That's the beautiful part about dividends and what we're doing here, and what my core belief is, and why I'm doing this, because I'm socking away that money now, and it will be there bringing us income, growing as those dividends grow, so we can travel the world, we can have work be optional, we can take more time for ourselves, do more of what we want to do and less of what we have to do. That's the whole goal. This is the journey I'm sharing, and I'm so happy that all of you are here and sharing it with me. I'm going to get off the roof. It's hot now. The roof is on. No, we won't do roof is on fire. We have a graduation party to go to. It's June. That's what you do in June, is go to graduation parties. So I really do appreciate all of you being here, and I will talk to you in the next video.